Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code KB5063878 failed to install in Windows 11 computer. So this KB5063878 is the latest cumulative security update for Windows 11 versions 24H2, bringing the OS build number to 26100.4946, and then encounter situations the update keeps rolling back during setup or gets stuck partway through. And common causes include insufficient disk space, corrupted system files, damaged Windows update components, and conflicts with drivers and security software. And then I'll show you steps to solve this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on the search menu, and then here you need to type this troubleshoot settings, and then you need to click open. And once you open up here at troubleshoot settings, and then on right side, and then you need now to select or tap this additional troubleshooters, and then click. And then here now at additional troubleshooters, here only at left side navigation panel, underneath here at get up and running, and then you need now to select or tap this Windows update, and then click. And you can see now this run the troubleshooters, and then click. And then pop up this Windows update detecting problems. So here we need to wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process. Alright, so after completing this troubleshoot settings, if you see this troubleshoots complete, then you need to follow again the screen instructions to fix this error. So we have also here that we need to going to do to fix this error. And also you can view the detailed informations about the issue. So here at troubleshootings report, you can see now all those potential issues that were checked. Alright, so you can see here, and then again you need to tap or click this next to proceed in the another method to do to fix this error. Alright, so after here at Windows troubleshooters, and then we need to close if the error is still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to check the relevant services. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need to type this command keyword services, and then you need to click open. And once you open up here at services, and here services local, and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this Windows update services. So all you have to do is to scroll down, find and locate that. And then once you find already this Windows update services, so before to proceed, so we need to check the services if already running or not. So if the services is not running, then we need to modify by open properties. So all you have to do is to select this Windows update services. So select and then right click, and then check if this services if already running or not. So how to know if the services if already running or not? So if you see this that restart, you can click this restart. But if you see this restart is a grayed out, so that it means is not running. So you can see now this start is grayed out, so that it means this services is running. So all you have to do is to tap again only here the restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, and the next services that we need to modify is to find and locate this Windows installer services. So you need to scroll up and then select this Windows installer services. So same procedure, select and then right click, and then check if this services if already running or not. So you can see now this restart is grayed out, so that it means this is not running. So all you have to do is to select this properties, and then here now at general properties, here at the startup type, so you can see now it's grayed out, but we can do anything here. We can do something here to fix this. So you can see this service status. All you have to do is to tap or click this start and wait to complete the start process. And then after that, you need to click apply, and then you need to click this okay. Alright, and the next services that we need to modify is to find and locate this cryptographic services. So all you have to do is to scroll up and select this cryptographic services. So same procedure. So all you have to do is to select and then right click, and then check if this services if already running or not. So you can see now the start is already grayed out, so that it means the services is already running. So you can tap or click this restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, and the last services that we need to modify is to find and locate this background intelligent transfer service. So same again, procedure, select and then right click and then check if these services if already running or not. So you can see again, this restart its grid out, so that it means this services is not running. So all you have to do is to tap or click this properties. And then here at general properties, startup type, click this arrow and select this automatic. And then next, you can see the service status. You need to tap or click this start and wait to complete the start process. And then next, click apply and then you need to click OK. Alright, so after here and the services, and then we need to close. And then here at the bottom left corner here, then we need to restart this PC by clicking this restart. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.